Hello friends, welcome back to toadscorner.com videos. Today let's see what foods do vegans not eat. If you're turning to a vegan, food from plants are right for you, but food from animals like eggs, cheese, milk and honey is a complete zero in your diet. The reason may be that you want to protect the environment, you want to improve your health, or maybe you think that plant foods lower the risk of heart diseases. Whatever, perhaps the reason, it is a great challenge for you to turn to be meatless and know what foods are right for you. Let's note them. Fruits and vegetables, nuts and seeds, bread, rice and pasta, legumes such as peas, beans and lentils, vegetable oils, alternatives to milk such as soy milk, coconut milk and almond milk. Since you know what foods are right for you, you must also know about the foods that do not include in your vegan diet. They are foods made from animals like chicken, duck and other poultry, fish, shellfish like crabs, clams and mussels, eggs, milk, cream, ice cream and other dairy products. There are many benefits of a vegan diet as there are fewer chances of getting obese, heart disease, high cholesterol and high blood pressure. Vegans do not have diabetes and are few chances of cancer too. Therefore, switching from a meat person to a vegan has many benefits on your diet, health and well-being. Friends, thank you for watching our video. Please like and share our video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.